Hello, dear friend. Today I am going to uninstall this CapCut video editing software. Ultimately sucking the YouTubers and content creators. This is totally no garbage. Why it's a garbage? No, I will explain in the next video. I work in CapCut almost a year sometimes because sometimes I work in DaVinci Resolve. But when I used to edit very fast, I use this CapCut as my secondary video editing software. But most of us use CapCut as the main video editing software for their content creators because they tell that CapCut is very easy to use. It's true that it's easy to use, but after a year keeping CapCut in my computer, today I am going to totally uninstall this, dear friends. It has cheated the audiences too much CapCut. So 1 year ago, why everyone installed CapCut? Today we are totally uninstalling CapCut. In front of you, I will uninstall this garbage. No, dear friend, you will understand why it's a garbage. No, after a year using, and this is a TikTok company. From this CapCut comes from TikTok, a Chinese company, dear friends. In some country, it has already banned, but people use this using a VPN to download it because it has some premium features, dear friends. In front of you, I will uninstall in the computer all the programs, and there will be a bonus tips for you. Though don't skip the video, listen till the end. It's a very important. This bonus tips is that once you remove the program, uninstall the program software from your computer, its registry files, lots of files remains inside your C drives. It runs in the background, and it harms your processor, make processor slower, computer slower. That's why it's a very necessary to remove all those unnecessary files after uninstalling programs. But most of us don't know how to remove such unnecessary files after uninstalling the programs and softwares. But I have a bonus tips. Using this bonus tip, I will so it's very easy. In one click you can remove all registry files, all its residuals and remaining files from the computers. Dear friend, don't forget to subscribe the channel. So your one subscriptions give me a lots of motivation to make more creative tutorials. This one subscription costs you nothing, but it's meaningful for me. It helps me to grow me on YouTube, dear friend. So today I will go in the computer in front of you, and I will show you why I am actually uninstalling today in front of you this CapCut video editing software from my computer. What's the meaning of uninstalling it, and all these bonus tips, dear friend, we will show you today in today's video. Without wasting time, let's jump into our computer. Hello, dear friend. We are now inside CapCut here. You can see we have a project clip from our last class here, and you see there are various type of stickers you can find here. Audio from here you can check for audio. You can check any audio and check copyright from here. This is a text. You can add text if you know about CapCut from here. You can add text. Sticker here. There are various stickers, transitions here, captions. You see, you have to pay for if you identify filler words. You have to remove filler words from your sentence. You have to pay for pro, means you can't use this. And here effect, there are some effects are paid nowadays, some are still free. But one thing which I don't like in CapCut, you have to download every time. You need internet to run this video editing software. Some features you can run without internet, it works, but these are, you see, you have to download. Means when you have internet connection, you can use this. Means all, if you want, for example, you see, I have used, I have no internet. That's why if you go to get, I use this type of transitions. There are good transitions here. It's good for in beginners only. If you are beginners and you are making your clips and video editing for only your purpose, then you can use this. When you will be intermediate and advanced users, this is not for you because these features are limited. All features, and every person will use same features, means you will not have unique creativity inside you. People will know very easily that edited this video from CapCut. Means if you want to earn money from video editing, then it's not for you. You have to go for other video editing softwares, which we will later talk. And you see this transition adjustment clip is good here. And here, from here, you can use filters. You see, these are limited filters here, but there are so many filters still limited. But in advanced professional video editing software, there are lots of plugins and lots of unique filters you can use, which you can't imagine. But here, these are only filters which everyone will use. That you will not have uniqueness or creativity. I support AI for some works only. For example, removing background from your video, but that takes a lots of time. But here in CapCut, you can easily remove background. For background removing, you have to come here, you adjustment, animation, speed, here video,
in video here, see auto removal, it will automatically remove. Once you click, it will automatically, you see, it has removed background. And lights they are on video editing software, and compare with it's a good that it automatically remove background. Stop removing background, confirm. It removes your background, but sometimes this features is bad, sometimes it's not bad. You see, some 2 weeks ago it was bad for me for a long time. Now it has given me for bad. So I don't believe in CapCut because it's a Chinese company. It can take your data. Sometimes some features gives me free, sometimes it's a bad, when I was a beginners, it was perfect for me. And when I started using other video editing softwares, we will talk here later, and I stopped using this because there were limited features I use. I edit my tutorial, YouTube tutorial video, or for client works, where I have to do audio editing. Actually, you see audio waveform here. You have to detach here. For detaching, you come here and extract audio. It has extracted audio from here, and you see audio waveform is not so professional. In other video editing software where we will talk, very easily you have advanced audio waveform, but here it's a good. You can cut for beginners, but for me this audio waveform is not suitable. I need a professional. When you will be an advanced video editor, you will understand what's the importance of this audio waveform. And here some are, if you pay money for enhanced video, you have to voice isolation. These are paid feature actually. All these are not, it's showing me free, but it's not free actually, dear friend. You have to pay money. And when you will learn this video editing software, you can't actually buy this video editing software for whole life. Come here, I show you plan here. CapCut here, you see, I have to pay $25 monthly, or there is a special recommended here $20. You see, per month means you can't buy this software for whole life. There are much more professional software better than this CapCut, and lots of things you can do when you start editing. And when you are beginner, you start CapCut. And when you will be advanced intermediate, use that software, which we will talk in later in the tutorial, in the video. Here you see this $20 you have to pay like Adobe Premiere Pro. You have to take subscription based model. I don't like, because it means it's not your software. Or when you have money you buy, when you have no money, it's not can't use this some of pro features. It's like a rental apartment for you. When you have money you can rent apartment. When you haven't money, you live outside in the street. And I like that. Once you bought the apartment, it's always for you. I like such that type of thing. That's why I decided to delete actually CapCut, because it was not for my whole life. I learned software and I started using. When I became intermediate, I realized that there is a limited creativity, lots of such type of AI tools which I don't need. Actually, I do myself video editing and most of things. And when I need, I use plugin, some of plugin advanced video editing softwares. And in that video editing software, you can very easily remove background very easily. Here in you come here CapCut. When you come here, you see here, we come to video automatic removal. Here you see it's removed, but it's not professionally removed. You see here it's visible here. Yeah, I show you. It means it's not beautiful. I can use my wall for background. Hello dear friend, this is Rakesh here. Once again, you see here the quality has decreased actually. I show you here. This file is here. I have in Melt Studio here. I have file for this. You see, the quality has so much decreased after I use this auto removal. Dear friend, this is Rakesh here. Once again, you are welcome to resolve for. You see, this corners is not good here. You see, it's visible that you have removed the background, and it's not so much professionals. But even though you can use for your, if you are beginner, you need to remove background, then it's a CapCut is a good for you. But in that software which is very professional, I use there, it's a, you can accurately remove the background. That's actually the audio waveform I don't like, and that's why I decided to uninstall it. And most of features which I need here are totally paid. Voice changer I don't need so much. It's for I don't use for my professional work. And lots of features are paid here. And I have shown you this. Most of features here are, or totally good features are paid nowadays. That CapCut is cutting all the good features which they provided us. That's why people downloaded CapCut nowadays. Most of people, I don't know, according to your country, you have to pay for a background removal. For background removal, people downloaded, most of YouTubers and content creators downloaded CapCuts. Now we come to our video editing software, which I bought some days ago. You see, I bought this speed editor some days ago, and I got DaVinci Resolve free. Means speed editor, the price of the speed editor is $395, and DaVinci Resolve is $295 itself. It means I added only $100, and I got the perpetual license for whole life. Very professional. I can edit film, web series. I can get work, professional work, and my YouTube channel I can make more accurately. I can actually edit my video. You see here, come cut tab. Actually, you see how it's good. I can cut everything inside this. Every silent point I can cut here. And in DaVinci Resolve, AI is more stronger and it's meaningful. It's not a childish AI feature. That are those AI features are very good in DaVinci Resolve. You can do text-based editing, which in CapCut is also available, but here it's more advanced. You can remove background using here in color tab. You have to come and using a magic mask. You can remove background. I will show in the next tutorial how you can very professionally remove the background, everything very accurately. The CapCut is also good, but it's a for beginner, oriented for beginners. So I show you the monthly plans for DaVinci Resolve. When you come here, you see you can use most of feature free in DaVinci Resolve. Here you can download from here. If you buy 295 only, you have to pay, and you will buy DaVinci Resolve whole life. Means it's not like subscription based like CapCut or Adobe Premiere Pro. You have to pay every month. Like it is not a rental apartment. It's an apartment which you buy for whole life. It's the perpetual license, and you can buy anything like go to my tutorial. You can see about how I bought DaVinci Resolve Speed Editor, $395, and I got uh, free this very advanced video editing software for whole life, dear friends. It's actually that's why I shifted, and I'm today going to delete this CapCut. You see, 395 I use. I know I can edit very fast. I can cut my video. There in tutorial video, I need to cut a lots of bad part. When I speak, I make a lots of mistakes. So I need such a things. It's a very unique. Otherwise, you buy this editor. It's also once you buy and the whole life you use DaVinci Resolve 2 softwares, the whole life, dear friends. You can buy anything from here, and they will probably give you DaVinci Resolve 3. And here in CapCut, you have to pay for every month. It's like you see like the Premiere Pro. When you come, you want a more other software. Like I recommend you DaVinci Resolve when you are intermediate already, you are beginner and you have used CapCut. You delete that program and come to here and use free version of DaVinci Resolve. You see, it's a free version. 97% features are totally free in DaVinci Resolve. And when you need to get this software whole life, you buy this speed editor. You can. It's a my thought there, dear friend. Here you see light work. So many Hollywood films have been edited in this software. You see here for creator, it's a $200 only. Once you have to pay. Whole life you will use. Why will not we will use this program? Here you see for this pro, you have to pay $490. You pay once and whole life you can get. But when you will pay for pro, I will tell you DaVinci Resolve is more advanced. Why will not pay only 295 and you will get all the features? If you don't want to buy any video editing softwares, you want a free plans, this open source software is good for you, which I use for my project here. This is Cadence Live, it's advanced, but here it is not AI feature for background removal. For that you can use CapCut and take that video in Cadence Live you can use. Otherwise, if you like, can proceed. If you don't want any advanced video editing software, and you don't want to improve your creativity in video editing software, just use CapCut for it's more suitable. I recommend if you don't want to grow yourself. Otherwise, you see this is Cadence Life is good here. Lots of you see advanced video, audio waveform is here. Solid clear color grading is available here, and shortcut is also good here. It is free. The shortcut and Cadence Live are advanced and free video editing software and totally free. So this is open source. And otherwise, you can go for light work. This is 199 plan, which is good for YouTuber and content creators. Once you pay, and this is a very advanced video editing software you can use whole life. If you don't want to pay anything, you want to get most of advanced things, only you can't find here background auto removal. It's a paid plan of DaVinci Resolve. Otherwise, everything is free here now. Why we can't use? I used this software for 2 years for this free, and nowadays I bought a speed editor and got DaVinci Resolve free, dear friends. So that's why today I am going to uninstall, and I will show you how to uninstall all the program, all the registry files. When you uninstall any program or any software, their registry files remains inside the C drives, and it's a very harmful for C drives. It's a burden for C drives, and it makes your computer slower. That's why it's a necessary. But you can't don't manually. It's very difficult to search all these registry file and delete. So for this, I have a software here. I show you in my computer, Revo installer here. You see Revo uninstaller. This is you see here. This is Revo uninstaller. We just click here. Now see this is it's available. You can go for. You don't need to go for pro versions here. You see this is software here. This is license, but I don't recommend you to 2 years of license. You have to buy this. A free version is good, and using this software you can remove all the registry files, everything and garbages of the softwares, and your C drive will be always lightweighted, and is it deletes all unnecessary files. Now I show you how it delete. No, I want to delete CapCut here using this. I will write CapCut here. You see, no, I have CapCut here, and we will click here and uninstall CapCut. No, I'm uninstalling CapCut using a Revo uninstaller. Are you sure? You're okay? Yes, I want to sure. okay uninstall. You say okay uninstall. I will quit here because I'm uninstalling the CapCut in front of you, dear friend. Okay, uninstall. Okay. So you see now we are installing CapCut. Complete. Now all the files, registry file, there are lots of registry files and some files regarding this software has remained. So I will scan here. You see this in scan in Revo uninstaller. We will scan for this. So you see it's scanning and it will delete automatically all files. That's why it's recommended, dear friend. I will put the link of this Revo uninstaller in description box. So you can get from there and download. It's a free totally. It's most of features of this software is free. I use this for my daily basis because I download lots of software. After that, I have to delete that. I can't keep every software in my C drive. It will not have a place for that at all. Hello, dear friend. You see now Revo uninstaller has here scan all the files here, all the registry files here. You see garbages of the softwares, and now we will see select all. We have to select all, and we will delete all here from here. Are you sure you want to delete? Yes, we have to delete all these garbages and registry files which remain after uninstalling CapCut. Now it will found all these registry files, folders, and leftover files will be deleted from our system here. You see, after found leftover files and folders, they have scanned again. You see, their total file size, this file all will be deleted. We have to select all here. You see, we have selected and delete. Once again, it will delete. Are you sure you want to delete? You see how many files remain after uninstalling a program. That's why I recommend you to use this Revo uninstaller to uninstall all these garbages and remains of files and registry files etc. Here you see, no, it's from C driving scanning again. So it takes a long time, long process, dear friend. That's why manually you can't install everything. You uninstall a program, but you can't install everything related to that program. So see, we have no deleted selected, but remaining files will be deleted during the next system restart. When we will restart the system, it will again delete some of the files. So we have to finish there. We will finish. So we will finish all. We have deleted all the file. From here, we will refresh our system. No, it has replaced our C drives. Every files are all the softwares which we use in our computer. All are visible here. From you can install from here. That's why, dear friend, I recommend you. This is for as a bonus tip. I have shown you how we can use this Revo installer from this site. You can download, and so it's a totally most of features are totally free here. So, dear friend, today we have uninstalled ultimately CapCut here because I don't need anymore because we have lots of good advanced alternative totally free or lifetime purchase. Once you have to purchase and use like this DaVinci Resolve here and the light works here. You see this is a good plan for all life. You have to use and free for free you can use this Caden Life and CapCut. Actually, this was our so today's our video for how to uninstall. Why I uninstall CapCut, dear friend.
Hello, dear friend. You see how we have why we have the uninstall CapCut video editing software from our computer. Why it's meaningful to uninstall. It's you know everything. So I have already shown you the lots of alternatives are available in the market. Use that and totally free. And we had learn video advanced video editing software if you know all the elementary of CapCuts. And it's better to shift to other video editing software which is meaningful in the industry. People will respect you if you know this software. Learn the good software, dear friend. And if you want to learn the Caden Live, DaVinci Resolve video editing software, so go to my channels. There are lots of tutorial playlist. Go and see. And don't forget to write a suggestion, subscribe the channels, and it motivates me. It's a meaningful for me. One subscription costs you nothing, but it's helped me so much to grow my channels on YouTube. Otherwise, I will be disappointed. So don't forget to comment, like, share these channels to those friends who are actually in the need of such tutorial, and subscribe and take care. Bye. We meet in the next class.